Commence pas à me choper par le callback. Eh, tu vas te détendre, lâche-moi. Lâche-moi.
Your art is so good the critics want to eat it. The aggressive snuggle is a bold strategy, but it seems to be working. It is like a yin-yang symbol where the dark side blurry close-up to a shoulder-mounted kitten and a puppy entrance. This house is basically an airport for chaos and I am here for the layover. The vet says he needs to wear the cone for a week, but your one remaining brain cell has already checked out for the season. Your Pilates instructor is a total beast but refuses to correct your form because he is too busy with his own core work. One of us is getting a beach body and the other is just a potato doing back rolls. I will let you decide which is which. Date said they were a primate expert. You didn't think they'd bring their supervisor to watch you scroll through your ex's profile. Teacher says no talking but your emotional support system is clingy. You hear a bag of chips open from 3 miles away. Definition of an orange cat is having 0 thoughts and 20 butterfly clips. This cat reached its final form and it is fabulous. The exact moment the cat realizes he didn't sign the consent forms for this level of affection. I was investigating a suspicious noise in the laundry room, but it turns out I just walked in on a private meeting of the secret society of hamper hiders. They are not authorized to be this cute while I am trying to do chores. My ginger cat looks like he is protecting his tiny accomplice from the law. I will come back when they have finished their very important business. For my cat for 3 hours only to find him perfectly shelf integrated. He is not just a pet, he is home decor now. You're trying to take a nap but your alarm clock has literal wings and no snooze button. You accidentally open a can of tuna and the entire neighborhood's distribution center shows up for their scheduled meeting.
The wheels on the bus.
The closing shift manager is only 3 inches tall but already has more attitude than the entire morning crew combined. The vet says the word treat but you see them reaching for the thermometer instead. Realize the out of order sign on the fountain was just a suggestion and the water bowl is actually a 5-star spa. The mechanic charges $200, but you know a guy who will do it for a bag of treats. The alarm goes off but your body is still in buffering mode. Would you like me to come up with a few more? I asked him to help me garden and he decided to excavate a swimming pool and repaint the car in earth tones. If anyone needs a professional landscaper, are 90% water and 10% audacity. Would you like me to generate a few more variations with different types of humor, like POV style or dry sarcasm? Fits, I sits. Even if you are already sitting there. human locks the treats in the spare room, but they forgot you have a black belt in parkour and a purple belt in door handles. Negotiations have reached a stalemate. I have offered one paw. She has offered one hand. No one is moving until the your crush walks by and you forget how to function as a biological entity. The existential dread hits, but you still have to finish your hay. You want a drink, but your single brain cell thinks you are a water wheel. Cat is clearly the shift supervisor while the dog is just there for the emotional support and the free show. Convinced they are planning a heist. I opened up my computer to see why it was purring so loudly and found the source of the technical glitch. It turns out my PC is now running on a 100 organic, fur-based processor. It has 0 gigabytes of RAM, but I'm unable to read the file you uploaded. Try again or check the file for any issues.